Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. I adore this beautiful Christmas photo sent in by Daisy Chiron. I'm sorry, Daisy, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I am terrible. So we're going to dive in and edit with the LSP Hallmark Photo Presets. So what I recommend doing first is selecting one of the all-in-ones. So I'm going to click Balancer. That's really nice. These take care of skin, colours, toning, background. I think Mini Magic is going to be the one for this one, but let's just go through it anyway. Oh, Classic is also really nice. I love the warmth of that one for this image. I also like Santa. That's made the background really nice and dark. I'm torn between Santa and Classic. The thing is, when you find your favourite ones for each particular batch of image, you can just synchronize it across. You can sync it across and then your edit is done. Your entire gallery is done. Let's just crop this in a little bit. Absolutely love the idea behind this photo. It's beautiful. With your download, I've given you a few bonus overlays for Evoto. Now, Evoto is not known for overlays, and I must admit they work much better on the darker the background, the better. If you're going to use overlays, I do recommend my Christmas Magic collection for Photoshop, because they work beautifully. But I wanted you to have something for Evoto, so I've included a few little golden overlays in there. You click on background, on backdrop. On my backdrops, you click import, you select them up, and you open them in. And you can just kind of click these and go through. There's a few settings. That's glitter. You see here where it says fill mode. You might want to change this to center fill or center alignment, and then you can move this around. It really does depend. Also, if you find you've added an overlay in and it's looking strange, it's got artifacts, you'll know if it looks strange, change the mode to center alignment and you'll find it looks a bit better. Overlays in Evoto really don't look good on white backgrounds, currently at least, so you want to use them on dark, but that's adding some cool glitter in. Added this one here. It's added that real magic vibes. Those are before and after. We've turned this into a very magic-y kind of image. Now there are some glows in here. They look like this. They are not going to work with every image. And again, I recommend my Christmas Magic collection for Photoshop for those, if you are really serious about creating these beautiful glows quickly. But for Evoto, this is a bit of fun, and you might find that it actually works beautifully for your image. So I'm just positioning this, and you can see it's been positioned behind because Evoto is actually a background changer. This is a bit of a hack. I'm going to click the pencil icon, manual tuning, and what you can do is I'm just going to make that bigger. You can click the little plus or minus icon, and you can either paint this one, it will show it over all of your image, or you can decide where to paint it off. So I'm going to have it showing on everything for now. I want everything to look red and hit OK. Does take a bit of you getting used to. Again, it's not perfect, so Photoshop really is the one still for this, but Evoto is changing all the time. So if by the time you use these they've made some advancements and changes, you will be able to use these better. So I'm just going to bring that down a little bit. We want that kind of looking like it's coming out of this post box, and I'm using the vertical and horizontal sliders there. And click the pencil icon again, and we're just going to erase this now from any areas that we don't want it to show. Can you see there? Now I wish we could see what we were painting, but it's okay because we just paint a little bit and let go. A little bit and let go. I'm just going to make that brush a little bit smaller now so that we can come up here and just paint it off that area. So now we kind of have it looking like it's coming out of this post box, which I quite like. So hit OK. And please, if you find these are free, they are free, they're included, I do recommend my Christmas Magic overlays for Photoshop. They come in the complete Christmas Magic bundle. The Christmas Magic bundle used with these Evoto presets is kind of your ticket for super fast and very artistic Christmas editing. So before and after. I really like that with the glow coming out, but we could try something else. We could try one of the glow trails. Let's just move that around a little bit. You see how that's kind of looks like it's coming out and coming around her. I'm just going to mask that off our subject now by clicking on the right one, because we want it kind of showing behind her. You see that? So I'm just coming around the hair a little bit. Going between these, you can change your softness, you can change your size. And we kind of have it, okay, we kind of have that little bit of magic coming out of the box now, which is also quite an interesting thing that you can do in Evoto. So there's our before and after. There are a few things you can do with that one. If you don't want the backdrops, you can just hit the reset button and it will take it off. Beautiful image sent in by Daisy. And a lovely Christmas edit complete with skin and everything else. And again, you can change that. You've got on the blemish thing. You can change this. It's selected our subject as female, even though she is quite young. I know she is a female, but by female on Evoto means adult. And this one is a young teen. So, you know, you can come in and calm things down a bit. It's entirely up to you. Everything is very changeable. But the point is, these presets are super easy, super quick to use, so you've got time to just have a little bit of fun with it, rather than racing so quickly to get all of your edits done in time. Burning the midnight oil in December is no good, so this way you can get them done super quickly. I hope you love them, and I hope you enjoy the other tutorials. There's lots of things you can do with these, and I hope the tutorials help. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.